So now let's see how we can work with frames in Canva. In order to work with frames, I'm going to go on to the elements section right over here. And here you can see that there are frames. So I'm going to click on see all right over here until I find the frame of my choice. So let's say I want this computer monitor right over here. So I'm just going to click and drag it over here. So I can resize it. And frames is a combination of the picture frame, of course, and the shapes. So I can choose the color that I want as well. So I can go over here and choose the color as per my wish. So I can choose something like blue over here, something like this one, and something like this one. And you can see that the outlook of the shape has changed. So now I want to add in an image over here as well. So I'm going to go over to the photos right over here. And then I'm going to click and drag the photo onto the frame just like this. And that is how you basically utilize the frame. So I'm going to go to elements again. So there are different frames as you can see right over here, something like a disk. And now I can go to photos, click and drag it around right over here. And now there's the photo on that disk right over there. So that is how you utilize frames.